Stop scrolling for a second, because what I'm about to show you might completely change how you look at home security. Imagine this. You're outside, not even thinking about your house, and suddenly your phone lights up. You open it, and right there, you're inside your own room. You can see everything, every movement, every detail, every moment, all from a tiny camera that costs almost nothing. Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what we're testing today. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Drone Dominator, and today we're taking a real, no-nonsense look at the TP-Link Tapo C200. No hype, no fake promises, just one question. Is this actually worth your money? Let's find out. First thing you notice when you take it out of the box. It's small, like really small. You're not dealing with some big, ugly security camera. This thing just blends in. Put it on a shelf, desk, or corner, and it just sits there quietly. But don't let the size fool you. This little thing moves. And I mean it actually moves. You can control it from your phone and spin it all the way around. Left, right, up, down, covering your entire room. So instead of buying multiple cameras, this one basically handles it. That alone is already a win. Now let's talk about the video. You're getting 1080p Full HD. And look, I'm not gonna say it's cinematic quality, but for this price, it's clean. You can clearly see faces, details, movement. Nothing feels blurry or useless. And at night, that's where it surprised me. The night vision kicks in automatically, and it's solid. Pitch dark room, and you can still see what's happening. No guesswork, it just works. And coming up next, I'm about to show you something about this camera that most people never even notice. Now here's where it gets really practical. Motion alerts. Anytime this camera detects movement, your phone gets notified instantly. And it's not one of those annoying systems that keeps buzzing for no reason. It's actually pretty reliable. You tap the notification, and boom, you're live inside your home. That's the kind of peace of mind people want. And the app? Super simple. No complicated setup. No confusing menus. You open it and you're in. You swipe your finger and the camera moves. It honestly feels more like controlling a gadget than dealing with security tech. Now here's something people don't expect at this price. You can talk through it. Yeah, it has a built-in mic and speaker. So if someone's in your room, you can literally speak to them. Imagine you're outside and someone walks in. You just say, "Yeah, I can see you." That alone is enough to scare anyone. But jokes aside, it's actually really useful. You can talk to family, check on kids, even call your pet if it's doing something crazy. Now let's talk storage, because this matters. You don't have to pay monthly if you don't want to. Just insert a memory card up to 128 gigabytes and you're good. Everything records locally, no extra cost. And yeah, cloud storage is there too if you want it. But it's optional. Now let's be real for a second. This is not a $300 camera, so don't expect crazy AI tracking or ultra 4K detail. And yeah, it depends on Wi-Fi, so if your internet is weak, you'll notice it. But honestly, for this price, it's doing way more than expected. Quick pause. If you're enjoying this, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me what you think about this camera and what you want next on Drone Dominator. I actually read those comments. Alright, back to it. Who is this camera for? If you want something simple, something you can set up in minutes, something that just works when you need it, this is it. Home security, checking on family, monitoring your space. It handles all of that without making things complicated, and that's the whole point. Not everything needs to be expensive or over the top. Sometimes simple and reliable wins. So final verdict? The TP-Link Tapo C200 is one of those products that just makes sense. Affordable, easy, and does exactly what it promises. And honestly, for most people, that's more than enough. Alright, that's it for today. Short review, cheap, simple, and better than expected. If you like this, you already know what to do, and I'll catch you in the next one. Drone Dominator, out.